we're going to be doing the box post foundation now for our deck. So we've got, right now I've just got some 3-inch screws lightly holding this thing together. But to give this thing some real strength, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. This is a 3/8 inch carriage bolt. It is 8 inches long. And so basically what I'm going to be doing is drilling. You're going to need a really long drill bit for this. I got a 12-inch 3/8 bit just for this. I'm going to be drilling 2 holes. 3 of these things, I'll do one going that way, another one going that way. And so, yeah, the way these work is you're basically just going to drill these holes. It's going to be a very exact hit, so you're going to need to hammer these all the way through. And you'll have just enough thread sticking out the other side of it to start threading on this little bolt here. But that's going to get you really, really great load transfer from these 2x8s into the 4x4 post right here. And so all of these 4x4 posts are in cement blocks, the pre-built or pre-made ones. So I've already kind of got that foundation here. And I've got our weed barrier as covering as much as I can underneath our deck, so we don't have to worry about weeds. And yeah, I'm just using the 6-foot level. If that was better, I would be using string and line levels, but you know, it's as good as I can get right now. But got these guys as straight as I can make it, and those are as close. This guy's maybe a tad bit too low, so I can raise this guy up right before I drill in through both these things. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we just drilled 2 holes that go through there, and there, and they're doing a little cross pattern through that, just so they're extra strong. And now I'm gonna come in here, and I'm just gonna stick this guy through there. Okay, so got our nail or bolt. I'm just gonna tap that in. We're still level there, which is great. That's cool. We're seeing another one. This guy's coming in. They're making kind of like an X pattern like that. This guy's gonna go in there. And we're just gonna do the same thing. So there we go. And then we take our washers. Up. In my case, with this 3/8 inch one, with these 3/8 inch bolts, I am using a 14 mil ratchet right here. Cool. So you can see that both these guys are sunk in there pretty hard. So we got a really nice tension and really nice load transfer now between the 2x8s into this 4x4. But that is now super strong. So we're just going to do this 11 more times and